Guys, today I want to do a very quick review on the Fluke 1AC2. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the package, show you guys a quick demo on what you should expect from these things. Guys, now that we went ahead and unboxed this thing, we're going to go ahead and test it real quick. Alright, once it's on, you'll have that consistent flashing. But what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and test this out. I'm going to turn this power off on this surge protector, stick it in my right side of my outlet, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see. Now if you notice, it's just flashing, it's not detecting anything, but as soon as you get that illuminated light and that buzz like that, you're pretty much in there. This thing's going to be reliable for you. It's going to always let you know what's going on. I'm going to turn this back on and show you it's actually good at letting you know if something is having power to it as well. Like, I'm going to put this on the back side of this box here for this electrical hookup. Alright guys, and I mean, that's pretty much what you're going to get when you go out there and pick you up a little Fluke Volt Alert. You're going to pretty much be in good shape. I mean, I keep these things for years at a time. I mean, store them properly and pretty much be in there. Turn this thing off. Store it somewhere properly, put it up, you'll be pretty good for a very long time, guys.